Hello. It is Sameer's call. Hello, Sameer.
Good morning, father-in-law. How are you?
Good morning. We are all doing good. So, is everything settled?
Yes. But we miss you all a lot.
Dear, we miss you a lot too. So, are you going to office from today?
Yes, father-in-law.
Dear, all the best.
Thank you.
Sameer, is Shikha around?
Yes, she is here. One moment.
Give me the phone. Will you alone keep talking? Won't you let me talk?
Be my guest.
Hello?
How are you, Shikha?
Mom, absolutely fine.
What are you doing now?
I'm good. Sameer is about to leave for office, so I'm preparing for that.
Okay, fine. Do one thing. Help Sameer out. I'll call you later, okay? Take care, dear.
You too, Mom. Bye.
Bye, dear.
Was it Shikha's phone call?
Yes.
Why didn't you let me talk to her?
Don't worry, talk to her later.
Come on, Dad.
Come on, sit down.
So, my managing director, Mr. Sameer Verma, are you ready for the first day at office?
No.
No?
If my mother was here, she would have blessed me. How do I take blessings from my wife? Won't it look odd? But you can give me something else if you want.
I forgot. Your lunchbox.
I have put it in my bag.
Then what else do you want?
A slap on my cheek.
Really? Okay.
Give me such a slap every day. By the way, I can take more today.
Now you don't try to get over smart with me, Sameer. You want to be late on the very first day?
Okay. Take care, Shikha. I'll call you.
Okay. Car keys, wallet, phone. Do you have everything?
Yes, Shikha.
Anything else? Anything else? I think you're good. Go now. Bye.
Okay, one.
Sameer, off you go. Mahi? Hello?
Hello, Shikha.
Mahi, how are you?
What will happen to me? I am still the same. You tell me. It's you who must have changed. What's going on?
What else? Sameer left for office just now. And I'm all alone in such a big house.
He went to office on the very first day.
He gets calls from office at night too.
Oh, Shikha, how unromantic. Do you know, work is the biggest enemy of romance.
That's not true. You know, this morning when I woke up, Sameer had made such a romantic breakfast for me.
Romantic breakfast? This is something new, Shikha. Okay, so did he make a heart-shaped bread for you?
Mahi, shut up.
Okay, fine, Shikha. Forget all that. What happened after the dinner? How was the wedding night?
Mahi, you've started talking a lot, okay?
Okay, Shikha. Take care. And if you get bored at home, then call me up immediately. Okay, Shikha?
Bye, Mahi. Miss you.
Love you. Bye.
Great. He forgot his watch. Hello?
Shika, please check in the room. I might have left my watch there.
Yeah, it's here.
Thank God. I thought I have lost it. That's my favorite watch. Please, keep it carefully.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Idea. There must be a showroom somewhere. Hey, this one is Amir's watch. 8 lakh rupees? It's such an expensive watch. Address.
What is this, Dad? Are we going for a holiday?
Really, Dad? Wow. Hey, this is a honeymoon vacation package. Is this for Shikha?
Yes, Sudha. I wanted to do a lot during Shikha's wedding, but amidst the haste, I couldn't. Moreover, our co-in-laws arranged for everything, so I thought of gifting Shikha and Samir a good honeymoon package. It'll be a nice change for them.
That was good thinking on your part.
By the way, Dad, did you and Mom go on a honeymoon?
You're too much, Vineet. Along with your math, your common sense is bad too. In those days, who used to go on a honeymoon?
Oh, yes.
What are you saying, Mahi? We are not so old-fashioned. Ask your mother. I was so romantic.
You know very well how to make me blush.
Oh.
There's no auto rickshaw around. Samir's office couldn't find a better place for us to live. Auto! Auto! Could you take me to Big City Mall, please?
Yes, ma'am, I'll go.
Excuse me? Is there an auto rickshaw strike going on? I don't see any auto rickshaws around.
Ma'am, very few people stay in this place. So no auto driver comes here to drop passengers.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. How may I help you today?
Hi, I wanted to get my husband's watch repaired. Here, can you help me with this?
Sure, ma'am. Please come. You please wait for a while. I'll be right back. Mrs. Jagannath.
Mrs. Jagannath? Excuse me? Can you come here?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you just call me Mrs. Jagannath?
You told me yourself that this is your husband's watch. Mr. Aditya Jagannath's.
Aditya Jagannath? What are you talking about? My husband's name is Samir Verma.
Ma'am, as per our records, this watch belongs to Mr. Aditya Jagannath, not to Mr. Samir. You can check our records as well.
Aditya Jagannath?
I told you, ma'am, right?
No, this can't be right. You've entered the name wrong. His name is Samir Verma, not Aditya Jagannath.
No, ma'am. You can see the records.
Which is wrong? Will you please change his name in your records? His name is Samir Verma, not Aditya Jagannath.
Ma'am, everyone can't buy our watches. All our clients are high profile, and we make sure to maintain their records in a very proper way. There is no chance of a mistake here.
But you have. Why aren't you accepting it? I am telling you, right? It belongs to Samir Verma, my husband. Hold on. Look at this photograph. It's the same photo as your records, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now will you accept your mistake? He's Samir Verma, not Aditya Jagannath. You people are terrible. How can you sell such an expensive watch and not even pay attention to writing your client's name properly in the records?
But, ma'am,
But what? And you aren't even accepting your mistake. I am Samir Verma's wife and you are arguing with me?
don't worry, ma'am. You just relax. I'm changing the name right away.
Samir Verma.
Okay, ma'am. You wait for a while. I'll get it repaired right away.
Thank you.
You all listen to the final plan once again and memorize it. This is the layout of my house's status. You will be here. And you will be waiting exactly in front of this.
Okay.
And you will be hiding behind the wall. And you all shouldn't lose your focus even for a second. Here, the staircase at the back of the house. You all will enter using that. I don't want any noise or disturbances. Once your preparation is done, I'll get Shikha there. You all know what you need to do, right? And keep in mind that Shikha shouldn't suspect anything.
Welcome home, Mr. Aditya Jagannath. At least now I know what your real name is. You are something else. And you pretend to be someone else. I've seen people changing their attitude after they get very successful. But you? You have changed even your name. Sameer Verma wears a watch worth rupees 8 lakhs. But not a Sameer Verma. Under the disguise of Aditya Jagannath. You never even told me. Even I had the same reaction when I heard that name. Sameer, I'm really sorry. I should have told you about this morning. Actually, accidentally, I dropped your wristwatch and I went to the company showroom to get it repaired. And you know, when I reached there, what did I find out? That they have entered a wrong name for you in their records. Instead of Sameer Verma, it was Aditya Jagannath. Can you believe that? I tried explaining it to them so much they wouldn't listen. They were adamant, saying that the watch belonged to Aditya Jagannath.
Then?
Then what? I took out my mobile and showed them your photo. Only then did they realize that they've made a mistake.
What did they say after that?
What else, Sameer? I got angry with them. I rebuked them for making such a foolish mistake. Then I got your name corrected. It was so irresponsible of them.
But what was the need for you to get angry? People make mistakes.
But Sameer, a mistake of this proportion?
Stop overreacting, Shikha. Only the name was changed. Big deal.
Sameer, why are you being angry at me?
What else should I do? First, without informing me, you went outside. That too all alone. What was the need for it? Couldn't you have called me up?
Sameer, I dropped and broke your favorite wristwatch. Naturally, I felt I should get it repaired. So, why are you getting angry with me?
You were careless with my watch and now you make a joke out of it. I am Aditya Jagannath. I'm sorry, Shikha. In a fit of rage, I yelled at you. You know, I don't mean that. Shikha, I got worried about you. The streets are new to you and you ventured out alone. I'm bound to get angry, right? Only a watch got broken. Big deal. The watch is not more important than you.
Right. That's why you yelled at me that I can't even take care of a simple watch. I know that it is an expensive watch. And I'm really sorry for that.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't want to hurt your feelings. Punish me. I'm a bad boy. I'm sorry. I want to say my favorite line.
What?
I was waiting for this very smile. Come with me.
Where?
Come, my dear. This admirer has something special for you. Come.